make it. I can't hold any longer. Whoa, what's that? What's that? What's that? What? What is this? Whoa! What is this? What is this? Oh, yellow snow. Yellow snow. That's yummy. Well, it's not every day you find a box in the snow. Rumor has it you can get these from tothemooncards.com. So let's go ahead and open these up and let's see what you can get from this Veefriends Super Sticker Spectacular Series 2026. Okay, wow, that sounds interesting. It's a very big box. It's actually really nice. But hey, let's see what you actually get inside. Again, I saw you can get these on tothemooncards.com. We might have to pick up a bunch more if this is fun. I don't know, guys. This could be boring. After all, finding a box in the snow, I don't know. Here we go. What? Whoa. What is this? 51 out of 55? Wait, I thought these are just dumb old stickers. Whoa, Smooth Spider. Here's the rarity. So lava's the common, bubblegum, diamond, hologram, gold, and emerald. So it looks like we have a lava spider on a bubblegum background. Whoa. Out of 55. Debut. Okay, so that, I looked this up a little bit, and that means that it's its first super sticker. Wow, okay. Well, this is fun. One pack in so far. That's fun. Ooh, nice characters here. Happy Hermit Crab. Wow. What's this? Sweepstakes. You could win a one-of-one NFT? Wow, okay. Cool. So we got narwhal, hippo, a fly. Oh, look at this guy. Honey badger, blobfish, zombie. In your head. Ooh, flexing fox. Yeah. That's cool. Irish terrier, numbat. Sweet. Fearless fairy. Rumor has it that this is a big character in the Veefriends world. Ooh, Enkind warrior. Wow. Let's go. Ooh, what do we have here? Showdown. Hungry Hammerhead versus Nifty Narwhal Spectacular Showdown. Sweet. That's cool. Logical lion and a vampire. Very nice. Oh, take a look at this. So this is from their comic. Comic number 4. It's a sticker based off of a scene in the comic book. That's awesome. Very nice. Harpic. Cool. Oh yeah, we got to get more of these packs from tothemooncards.com. Definitely. Fearless Fairy. Hologram! Whoop, whoop! Whoop, 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 whoop. Haunted Hologram. So this is a chase from what I'm told. It's hard to find these. Let's go. Vibin' Vampire. Wow. What a box. Wait, what's this? What? A another out of 55. Oh, determined dolphin. What is this? A diamond on a bubble gum? Diamond on a bubble gum. Number 10 of 55. Let's go. Oh, and the shark's coming right after the dolphin. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. These are so much fun. Looks like another sweepstakes entry. Oh, another debut sticker. Oh, last pack. What a blast. What a blast. What a blast. Parrot? Hamster. Nice. Well, I'm pretty happy. I mean, a hit, a hit, a hit, a hit, a hit. Wow. ToTheMoonCards.com. We're headed there right now. We're going to get them before you can get them.
If you're a streamer and you still need product, go join the To The Moon Streamer Network. It's a community of streamers who do live social shopping. You can get access to products from companies like Veefriends, Vibes, Leave, Kakao, or Saturday Morning Cards. So head to network.tothemooncards.com and join the network. My name is Ian. I work for To The Moon Cards, and I also have a website called ianbeck.com where I provide visuals for streamers to use on their stream.